Today I am going to make chocolate chip cookies. The recipe will be linked in the description. So let's get started. First, you are going to preheat the oven to 350. Then you're going to need a smaller bowl and a larger bowl. Starting with the smaller bowl, 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. This is the all-purpose flour. Pour it in the smaller bowl. Okay. Next, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda. Here's 1 teaspoon. You do not want to mess it up. And it's in. Okay. Next, 1 teaspoon of salt. It's all white. I don't know why I said that. Done with the small bowl, and now we're going to move on to the larger bowl. Take the larger bowl. In the larger bowl, you're going to beat 1 cup of butter softened. And I'm not with butter. Butter is slimy, wet, like, I just ripped it. Slimy and wet like, fish. Fish. Okay. Okay. I can't. Oh, wait, I think I got it. Guys, make sure you wash your hands before you do this. Now to add the rest of the wet ingredients. So next, you need 3/4 cup of sugar. Add it in. Yay! Did the sugar. Next, we need 3/4 cup of brown sugar. The brown sugar, it's chunky though. Chunky like a pig. Next, we need a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, don't add too much. Vanilla makes it really good. I'm going to beat it until creamy. Oh, I'm going to turn it off. And, oh, it's done preheating. We heated it, now it's creamy. So, next, I'm adding 2 eggs, 1 at a time. A good way to crack eggs. I'm so scared I'm going to get the shell in there. Okay, now I'm going to beat it. This and beat it in. Every time I turn it on, it scares me. Okay, I think I'm good. So, their milk chocolate. You can actually get whatever chocolate chips you want. But I'm doing milk chocolate. I'm going to pour the whole bag in because it's a whole bag. Oh my gosh. I am actually forgot to mix this in. So I'm going to mix it in now. So just pour it in. So like half. Now I'm going to pour the other half in. Okay. I have only mixed it on one. It's like floating up in the air. This does not look like good cookies. Oh my gosh. Ah! What happened? I'm gonna keep mixing, but okay, I think I'm good. My arms are so tired. Now we're gonna move this out of the way, and we're gonna get the cookie pan. Take my friend Scooper here. We're gonna take Scooper here. Get it? And okay, I did it. Now we're gonna put them in the oven for 8 minutes. Well. Okay, so they are in. I got the cooling grass. chocolate chip cookies with you guys. Ah! With you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Peace. Bye. Pasta, meatballs, ravioli.